Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, me, the best of the best in the real dancehall queen Danger has officially confirmed the breakup with her and Team Spice. According to the Star, she stated that yes, the breakup is true and she would not like to elaborate on it. Spice has yet to make any statements in regards of the situation. Seems like Tommy Lee and Vybz Kartel are putting things back together. Tommy Lee was seen with Second Round was going to visit Vybz Kartel in jail. Tifa made big news in the recent legal battle that she has been dealing with for the past 5 years. She has not stated exactly what the legal battle was about, but it had something in regards of her music. She states, "For the last 5 years, I've been locked down with the case inside New York Supreme Court because of a talent God gave me. Yup, music. It's been emotionally and financially draining." She goes on to state, "This artist's life ain't easy and we suffer a lot in silence. Anyways, cheers to life and the future." Chronix had much to say about the political system in Jamaica. He posted this post and had a lot to say. For Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.